Using YouTube and WhatsApp at the same time, it's pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use YouTube and WhatsApp at the same time. So in order to do that, you need to go to your WhatsApp. So as you can see, I'm at the WhatsApp now. Here in the WhatsApp, you have to know, press this key. After pressing this key, you just have to not happen this recently apps, but here you simply have to know hold your application that you want to use with it. In my case, it's WhatsApp, so I'm just going to hold it right here, and let me just try that again. And as you can see, it just dropped on. Now afterwards you can move it anywhere you want, and you can use the whole phone in the back. So suppose if you want to use YouTube with it, so I'm just going to open up my YouTube. So that's pretty much it. That's how it will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this with a helpful